Okay. Welcome to the demo session on SAP AFS. We from SnD Infotech, a group of SAP experts who train on different modules. For more details on the course, please contact us on the provided email or contact number. SAP AFS stands for Apparel and Footwear Solutions. The AFS system contains special structures for mapping products and articles and their characteristics such as sizes, colors, etc. The special structure concepts, grid values, categories facilitate the handling of logistic processes. Special functions like value-added services, seasonal processing, and pre-packs and MSOs, etc. The course overview contains like AFS master data, which will have, the grades and the categories, material masters, and the customer masters and the vendor masters, and also the sales and distribution process flows like sales orders, MRP runs, and allocations, and delivery and billing. We have a different versions now. At present, the latest version is 6.6. The different modules that have the AFS specific functions are like SD and MM. We will be covering the below listed functions as part of a course. AFS master data, categories, coverage strategies, material grids in sales order entry, allocation run, seasonal processing, value-added services, multi-store orders, AFS size conversions. AFS categories, the categories are mainly used to segregate at different quality levels of a product. Categories are used logically segment materials. And just to touch upon material grids, which talks about up to 3 dimensions are possible in AFS. For example, size, color, and inseam. We use material grids to determine the characteristic values in which you carry a material. Okay. Next slide, we talk about AFS order allocation, which is allocation run is a tool which allocates existing stocks to the requirements as per the customization, thereby increasing customer satisfaction. AFS material cannot be delivered without carrying out the allocation run. It's a mandatory step in AFS. We talk about seasons. AFS allows the customer to have good control over the period in which the material should be sold or not. Woolen fabric is an example of a seasonal material which is relevant only for the winters. We talk about value-added services. VAS stands for value-added services. It is an operation performed on materials which enhances their value, functionality, or usefulness. We will also talk about MSOs. MSO stands for multi-store order, facilitates the mapping of business processes in which a corporation requires goods from you for any number of stores. We will talk about conversions. In AFS, it is very important to have same physical size called by different scales in different countries. This is the reason we have US size, UK size, etc. printed on shoes. For example, in men's footwear, UK size 9 is called as US size 10. Also, we will be talking about the integration between AFS and COPA. especially with the AFS specification, specific condition types like Z3AP, which we do in ECC like with PR00 condition types. These are the different terminologies we use in AFS system, like grid contains characteristics, size, color of a product, category controls like stock, requirement assignments, SKU, stock keeping unit, A run, allocation run, fixes assignments of stock to the sales order, MSOs, multi-store orders, distributions to different stores of a customer, VAS, which is value-added services like ticketing, labeling, packaging, special services, source allocations, and etc. We will provide the detailed notes documents for all the topics. The notes will have the print screens, transaction codes and paths, and explanation for each field, which will help in practicing and also for further enhancing your knowledge on AFS SD. Okay, thank you for listening.